Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the new chapter of EVS, and the name of the chapter is Cover Up. Cover up means we should cover up our body by wearing clothes. Now we'll read the lesson. We all wear clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Clothes make us look smart. Means we all wear clothes. You all wear clothes, pant, t-shirt. Why do we wear pant, t-shirt and shirts, sweater? Why we all wear this? We all wear this clothes to protect us from the sunlight, from cold and from rain. Heat means जब आपको गर्मी होती है वो. Cold means जब आपको ठंडी लगती है. And rain means when rain falls, जब बारिश गिरती है. Because of these clothes we look smart. We look very good. Clothes पहनने की वजह से हम अच्छे दिखते हैं. The way people dress depends upon the environment. Different types of clothes are worn in different seasons. Clothes are made of cotton, wool, silk and other material. So here we wear different types of clothes which is depending on the environment. Environment means the surrounding. Environment मतलब surrounding. जो nature है उसे बोलते हैं environment. Nature, who is there in nature? Trees, clouds, sky, rain, sun, moon, this all comes in nature. Nature means environment. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Means there are 3 seasons: summer season, winter season and rainy season. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. Mostly we wear white clothes so that the sunlight don't heat our body and we will not feel hot. In winter season we wear sweaters. We wear sweaters to protect us from the cold. And in rainy season when we go out we wear raincoats so that we do not get wet. So different types of clothes are wear in different types of seasons. Clothes are made of cotton, wool, silk and other materials. So clothes are made from cotton, wool, silk and other types of material. Now we will see that how the clothes are made and from which material they are made. So first is cotton. First is cotton. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Where do we get the cotton? We get the cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton means, you all know, kapus, white color it is. Cotton. Cotton is called as kapus in Hindi. Cotton is made into thread. Cotton is made into thread. Thread means dhaga. So from cotton they make thread and from that thread they make a clothes. That cloth are called as cotton cloth. The thread is woven into cloth. Means from the cotton plant they take cotton and from that cotton they make thread and with the help of the thread they make our clothes. Cloth is used to make different types of clothes. Cotton clothes are worn mostly in summer. So from the cotton plant they make different types of clothes. When do we wear these clothes made from cotton plant? We wear these clothes made from cotton plant in summer season. Because of that we will not feel hot. Cotton cloth help us to stay little cold. ठंडा लगता है हमको कॉटन के क्लोथ्स में. अगर हम लोग स्वेटर पहन लेंगे तो हमको गर्म होगा. इसलिए हम लोग मोस्टली क्या पहनते हैं? वी मोस्टली वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर सीजन. See, here we can see in the picture weaver. Weaver means the person who weaves our cloth, who makes our cloth. Then there is shirt, we wear shirt. Then kameez and salwar. Your mummy wears na salwar kameez? Yes, that is kameez and salwar. And the next is blouse. It is blouse. Now next material we will see. Next is wool. Oh, it is so cold. Woolen clothes will keep us warm. We get wool from sheep. Now I told you we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Why we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. हमको ठंडी लगती है विंटर सीजन में, इसलिए हम लोग वुलन के क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी फ्रॉम वेयर द वुलन क्लोथ्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम. Woolen cloth come from sheep. You can see this white sheep. So the person he takes the wool from the sheep. वो sheep से wool निकालता है, and from that they make woolen clothes. They make sweater. See. Now we will see from sheep what we get. From sheep we get wool. See, wool is made, that ball like thing you can see, that is called wool. Then sweater. Sweater help us to stay warm. Then woolen cap. From woolen cap in our ears air does not go. हमारे कान में हवा नहीं जाती है. And next is the boy is standing wearing the sweaters, hand gloves, cap, socks. He is standing near the fire. वो फायर के पास रुका है. उसको क्या लग रही है? गर्मी लग रही है. So cotton, we wear cotton clothes in summer season and woolen clothes in winter season. Cotton clothes we wear in summer so that we will not feel hot, and in winter season we wear woolen clothes so that we will stay warm. हमको गरम लगे इसलिए हम लोग वुलन के क्लोथ्स विंटर में पहनते. Next, silk. Silk has a smooth soft texture. We get silk from silkworm. Silkworm live on the mulberry tree. So on the green leaf you can see one worm is there. That worm is called as silkworm. The silkworm makes silk thread. That silk thread is very soft, and from that they make smooth clothes for us. What does the silkworm give us? The silkworm give us silk thread, and from that thread the weaver stitches silk clothes for us. See what is made from silk, we'll see. And this silkworm, where is the home of silkworm? The home of silkworm is on the mulberry tree. Now we will see what is there, for what we get from silk. We get silk sari, silk thread. We make clothes, bed sheets, curtains, towels, bags and many more things from cloth. Cloth means kapda. So what we can make from cloth? We can make bed sheet. Bed sheet means which we keep on bed. Then bag, towel and curtain. Bag means the thing, bag which you carry in the market. Towel means from which you dry yourself. Towel पता है ना आपको? Then curtain. Curtain means पर्दे. Curtain means पर्दे. Curtain we put on the windows. Next, sometimes the cloth which people wear tell us about the work they do. People work in bank, office, often wear light colored clothes. Now from the clothes we can identify the person. कपड़ों से ही हम लोग इंसानों को पहचानते हैं. How we identify a policeman? पुलिसमैन को हम कैसे पहचानते? पुलिसमैन के कपड़ों से हम पुलिसमैन को पहचानते. So in the same way we can identify the people working in bank. They usually wear light colored clothes. जो बैंक में काम करते जो people वो light color के clothes पहनते. Then Motor mechanics use dark colored clothes while working so that the dirt does not show on their clothes. Mechanics, you all know, the person who makes car, they usually wear dark clothes. Dark color के clothes वो पहनते. क्यों पहनते? Because when they work while making motor cars, oil can fall on their clothes. इसीलिए वो डार्क कपड़े पहनते कि ऑयल उनके कपड़ों पर ना गिरे, और अगर गिरे भी तो दाग नहीं दिखेगा. The stain will not see and the dirt will not be seen. People working in the police, army and navy hospital wear different uniforms. अभी आपको पता ही होगा, पुलिस, आर्मी, नेवी and the people working in hospital, what clothes they wear. They policemen wear brown color, you have seen na. And army people, they wear, you have seen in pictures, आपने पिक्चर में देखा होगा आर्मी और नेवी के जो पीपल रहते वो कैसे कपड़े पहनते. एंड द पीपल वर्किंग इन हॉस्पिटल, दे वेयर वाइट coat from which we can identify them. It is their uniform. You also wear uniform and come to school, because when you wear uniform we can say that you are students. हम आपको identify कर सकते हैं कि आप students हो because of your clothes. Seer, sailor. Sailor means who is on the ship. He is called a sailor. See the clothes of sailor. Then next is soldier. Soldier who protects our country. He is fighting for the country. See his clothes. Policeman, you all have seen policeman. See the clothes of policeman. And surgeon. Surgeon means doctor. See, there are different types of clothes, different types of uniform wear by different people. People working in fields use short clothes. These clothes reach only up to their knees. Long clothes will get wet in the rice fields. People working in field wear short clothes. Field means खेती. आपके मम्मी पापा जाते होंगे ना खेती करने के लिए. Yes. So people who work in the field, they wear short clothes. वो छोटे कपड़े पहनते. See in the picture how the farmer and his wife is wearing short clothes. वो छोटे कपड़े पहनते क्योंकि लिए वो जब फील्ड्स में काम करते तो वो गीला हो सकता है. It can be wet and it can be get dirty in the rice field, because in the rice field there is water. Washing time. Take care of your clothes. We should always take care of your clothes. We should always keep them properly. To keep clothes clean, soak them in soapy water for some time. Then wash them with clean water. When you go out to play or you come from school, your mummy put your uniform in the soapy water. Detergent, you all know, detergent powder, surf excel, then different types of soap powder are there, detergent powder are there, which are there especially for clothes. Your mummy put the clothes in that water. वो soap का पानी होता है ना, पाउडर, कपड़ों की पाउडर, उसमें आपकी मम्मी डालती है. क्यों डालती है? क्योंकि लिए अगर पहले हमने डाला तो उससे कपड़े हमारे साफ हम धो सकते. डू नॉट वॉश देम रफली. कपड़ों को कैसे भी गंदे जैसे धोना नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज क्लीन देम वेरी प्रॉपरली. Dry white clothes in the sun and color clothes in the shade. Means the clothes which are white, we should put them under the sunlight. But the colored clothes, the clothes which are of different color, we should always put them in shade, because the color clothes, the shade gets dull. अगर हम कलर क्लोथ धूप में डालेंगे तो वो लाइट पड़ जाते हैं, वो लाइट कलर के हो जाते हैं, उनका कलर सन खींच कर ले लेता है. बट वाइट कलर तो कोई कलर ही नहीं होता है, इसलिए वाइट कलर वैसे ही रहता और बाकी सारे कलर सन अपने पास खींच लेता है. So that's why we should put white clothes in sun and the colored clothes in the shade. Mend and stitch your clothes if torn. If your clothes are torn, you should tell your mummy to stitch your clothes. You should always wear clean clothes and you should always wash your uniforms, your clothes when you come from outside, because there are different types of germs outside which can make us sick. So student, always maintain proper hygiene, Take care of yourself. I will send you worksheets to solve. Till then, take care and complete your worksheets. Thank you.